Hello everyone, I am Suresh this side and today I am going to discuss a very important subject, goal setting. So people have goals. Why people are setting goals? Okay, before starting this one, I request you to subscribe my video, like, share and comment. Okay, so you will get my next video also. What is goal setting? I request you to note down the points. It will definitely give very good advantage in your life. So note these points and implement in your life. What is goal setting? Goal setting involves the development of an action plan or task performance designed to motivate and guide a person or group of people towards a goal. Okay, that is goal setting. Goal setting can be guided by criteria like SMART criteria. SMART means specific, S for specific, M for measurable, A for achievement, R for relevant goals, and T for time bound, that is SMART goals. Actually, specific goals is should be defined and clear and well defined goals, and you should be specific about that your goals. Measurable. Okay, you set a goal. For example, you are doing maintenance for a company or you are doing maintenance for some equipment. So your target is 25 equipments in 5 months. Okay, so each month you have 5 equipments. And for example, first month you did only 3, so you are 2 shortage. So next month you have already, you know that, oh, I have already short, I have to do 7. So you did 6 actually, so only 1 short. So next month you already planned very well ahead and you did 8 actually. So you did 1 additional, so that next month you have to do 4 only. But you did 7, so 3. Next month only 2. But if you are doing it in yearly, so you achieved in a very well-defined time actually, that is measurable. It's achievable. See, you are setting a goal and that should be achievable. See, for example, or 5 months later you are going to do the maintenance of 25 equipments. Example, you put it as 50. So your target is 10. That is not achievable. So you should study this one and how much I can do. This is actually come from your previous experience. And other people who already result-oriented people's target you have to verify and whether it is achievable or not. You just set a target is not relevant actually. So that is very important. It's relevant goals. See, for you are setting a goal and you don't see it should be relevant to that your work actually. Without this time bound. You set a target for 3 months or 5 months. So that should be applicable to your particular job. Because you cannot set it for 1 year like that, 10 months or like that. Now you have maintenance of 25 equipments. Your maximum should be 5 months. Okay, you are setting is 8 months. That is not a time bound actually. So time bound, if you are setting it for 5 months, you are complete in 4 months. So you very well achieved that one. What are the 5 principles of goal setting? Clarity. Your goal should have a challenge. So you should be able to say that, oh, I can do this one. Okay, so I can do this one, I will do this one, is different. So I can do this one, you take that challenge. One is commitment. Okay, you said already in the challenge, I can do this one. Commitment is, I will do this one. So you have to do this one, you have to work it on that basis actually. So you should have a to-do list actually with you to work it out. So there are people that even there is to-do list in their pocket or in their diary, still they don't refer that one, they are not referring at all, they are not achieving it. But many people, I know many people, including me, so there is a to-do list actually and working according to that one and achieving that one. So to-do list is very important. Even if out of your 7 tasks, for example, you have 7 tasks today, you did 5. It's very good, excellent actually. So if you have 7 tasks and you did only 1, that is useless actually. So you are not doing anything. So if you have 7 tasks and you did 5 or 6, very good actually, only 1 hour to balance. You plan early and next day you can do 7, 8 or 9 and you are achieved already. So you should plan according to that one. That is very important. In this way, if you work, I am guaranteed that you will succeed in your life. This feedback. Okay, you already started your task. It's for 5 months. You already started your task. And in the first month, first week or second week itself, you are doing a good job and you are getting appreciation from your bosses or from colleagues. Then you are already motivated from your client or whoever it is. So you are already motivated, you can do excellent job. Then task complexity. See, if you are getting a task and you are setting a goal for that one, you should see that how difficult is a task. How people did the task previously. or what is the specification. Everything you have to go through properly. You have to study very well. That is very important, and then you can set your task. That is task complexity. You should know how the task is and how important it is. There are 5 type of goals to set in your life. And what are they? First one is career goals, financial goals, personal development goals, for spiritual goals, relationship goals. Career goals, actually, what is career goals? In your career, what you want to achieve in 3 years' time or 5 years' time or 10 years, what you want to achieve, what you want to become, that is career goals. Second one is financial goals. Okay, in your life, what you want to, financially what you want to achieve, what you want to buy, what you want, all this one, it will come in under financial goals. Personal development goals. Other than these two, there are personal development. Suppose personally what you want to become. You want to get a very good name in the society, and you want to become a good character, and all this one you have to, it is from your development, and all this one coming under personal development goals. Fourth one is spiritual goals. What is spiritual goals? Okay, some people are doing spiritually, they are very interested, and what is their aim, what they want to become, that it comes under spiritual goals. Relationship goals. And people have, some people have very good relation with family and circle and social circle and company and every work and everywhere, colleagues. So they want to keep developing and keep very good relation with such kind of people, and this comes under relationship goals. And there are some kind of people, those who have goals. First one is those people have goals in their pocket, goals, and they are achieving 70 to 90%. Do you know that people very well, they have goals and they are working on that basis, but they are achieving only 25%, not very serious about it. It's like that if you have a to-do list and you have 10 items, they are doing 2 or 3, and remaining they are absent-minded or neglecting or ignoring, we don't know. That is that kind of people are there. Have goals, but they are not very serious about it. Goals, but they just leave it like that. People have goal. Let us see when the goal come. Actually, let us see. I don't know. I don't set any goals. Let us see. And fifth one is no goals. Actually, they do whatever they want. Actually, and then goals can be separated into 4 categories. Basic goals. Then it is long-term goals. Long-term goals means you can say that it is okay. So if you set a goal for 7 years. 7 years, what you want to achieve in career-wise, financial-wise, whatever it is. That is, you can come under career goals. Time-based goals that come under short-term goals. So, for example, short time 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, or maximum 3 years, what you want to achieve comes under short time goals. There are mid-term goals also. Okay, you are setting a goals from for 3 to 5 years. That come under mid-term goal. Or you can say 2 to 3 years. So what you want to achieve in this period, that come under mid-term goals. Quantitative versus qualitative goals. What is quantitative? Quantitative means how much. For example, 50 item you want to complete. It comes under quantitative. And quality, how many you did in a quality basis. Maybe the 50 you have achieved, they are not all are not according to the quality. So qualitative means you have done actually according to the quality standards. Outcome versus process goals. See, outcome means your final output, what you get from the process actually. And process is, outcome come from the process. For all the people, it is very much important to set a goal in their life. There is no goals, you will not achieve anything. Just pass your days. No, like goals, you can achieve many things in your life. Really, it is from my life. Believe or not. Okay. I hope all of you like my video. Thanks a lot. Next time I will come with a very nice video. Till that time, thank you very much. And thanks for watching. Thank you.